bib 765. Racer ready.
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Are you kidding me right now? Guys, it's still puking.
Puking! It's puking!
What would I be doing if it wasn't puking? Snow. What up, Team Buckhouse? We made it to Belleayre. It has a gondola. We can see it from here. That's insane. You guys excited?
I'm excited.
Oh, dude, this is the crew. We got Greg, Benton, Vinny. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. There's so many of you guys that are new to this channel. Like 80% of the people watching these videos aren't subscribed. So hit subscribe. Let's get into today because we're gonna throw down. All right, guys, don't do what Vinny's doing. He's rubbing wax onto his snowboard. That's so dumb. If you guys need snowboard wax, I got a code with Pearl Wax. 20% off your full order, hot wax. Tune up your gear properly. Don't be a Vinny rubbing basically deodorant onto your snowboard. Get Pearl Wax. That is linked in the description. If you don't have a wax kit too, they have like a starter kit, like a wax iron scraper, brush, and wax. It's all down below. 20% off with $120. All right, enough talking, enough rubbing deodorant onto our snowboards. Let's go shred. That's so crazy. How do you have to talk to a person? They got double black diamonds here? No way! Kidding me right now? That was so sick. Dude,
Nice slashes.
dude. Alright, let's be real. This snow is insane. It literally feels like Colorado snow out there. It is a little crunchy on the bottom, but there's no ice on the East Coast, guys. It's official. Every time I come out here, pow day, sick snow. It's a good time. Also, this is some heavy runs. Like, I'm finishing the run catching my breath. Like, there's some vertical feet here for sure. I would not call that a double black. It'd be more like a blue in Colorado, but it's a fun run. And yeah, we're just gonna keep ripping this fresh POW. You haven't snow POW all season.
Yeah, there's no powder in Minnesota.
Minnesota has no POW. And if there is POW,
it's all out east apparently.
Yeah, East Coast has all the POW. guys will not believe the name of this terrain park. It's Area 51. It's the name of Keystone's Park, if you didn't know that. That's so funny. Well, hopefully this Area 51 is awesome, not like Keystone's has been. I told you you wouldn't believe it. So and crazy. I told you it was close to Jonathan's backyard. That was the worst jump I think I've ever hit in my entire life.
Yeah.
How'd you backflip? I mean, that's the only way you could do it. You see me get balked?
Yeah.
Straight like,
yeah. I told you, it's just like Area 51 back home.
Are you okay?
No.
What happened?
He made woman here.
Alrighty. Vinny got broke off first day. That's lame. We hate hearing that. He's gonna go down to the bottom. Possible collarbone to muscle displacement. Shoulder issues. Shoulders are the worst for snowboarding. Hopefully our boy Vinny's okay. But while he's getting iced and wrapped and all this stuff, we still got some runs to take and some videos to film or finish. I'm personally not gonna hit those jumps again. I have no idea how Ben backflipped them first hit. They're goofy, that's for sure. We found another park, by the way. So we're gonna give this one a shot. It looks a little smaller, but has more hits. Alright guys, so this one's Chipmunk because we got to go find Vinny, who's broke off at the bottom of the mountain. So we're going to do a full top to bottom, and then we're actually riding 2 other ski resorts today because we're trying to ride all the ski resorts. There'll be separate videos. We're going to make a vlog at each one, but we're really stoked to come out here and pump out some content for you guys. But it really sucks that Vinny got broke off on the his first mountain. We did go to Camp Gaw yesterday. If you missed that video, check it out. But his first day of the trip, dude got broke off, which is a bummer. But you know what's not broke off? Today's sticker shout out. We got Built for Dirt going off with 6 Evolution stickers. We got some teal skiers, we got a white Evolution, we got a camo Evolution, we got a gold small Evolution. We got so many Evolution stickers in this photo. Guys, thank you so much for supporting the dream. The Evolution stickers are how we do these snowboard trips. So guys, if you snag any of the merch, stickers, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of it, if you do snag it, just know that 100% of that money is going back into this channel. It's allowing me to not only do this for a living, but travel to places and go to 9 ski resorts in 7 days, because we are on a mission to ride every resort in the United States. It's gonna take a couple years, but we're on the mission, which is super sick. But if you do snag any of the merch, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also, if you're not following my Instagram, you're missing out a bunch of bonus extra content. Definitely check out the stories. It shows you where we're riding each day, as well as just bonus content on the stories. I like to try to make goofy, funny stories. So check out the Instagram for bonus content, check out the stories, and enough talking, because we gotta do this top to bottom. You ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Are you ready, Greg?
Oh yeah. You know what you should do when you...
Top to bottom?
Well, no. I meant like, after you get all 470 resorts, you should do one clip at each resort.
Oh my goodness, a whole video. As I stand here contemplating this top to bottom run, I always wonder and ask myself, What would I be doing if it wasn't puking snow? So sick running into you guys out here on like the East Coast trip or any of our trips. We have, other than the smallest ski resort in the United States, which is that video is right there, which is Lee's Ski Hill, we have run into someone that has watched the channel at every single ski resort we've gone to this season, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me that we can travel anywhere in the US and find a homie. And so dab them up, sometimes take some laps with them. It's been a sick time. Belleayre, by the way, is fire. It's pretty fancy too. Like this all looks new. This gondola, this building, everything. So Belleayre, you killed it. It was fun. Park is kind of meh, but the runs were really good. And of course it was a POW day. So if it's gonna be a POW day, I'd say come to Belleayre. This was a good POW day. How's Vinny? Is he dead?
We haven't found him yet.
Yeah, let's go find Vinny, see if he truly died. Where's Vinny? Oh, we gotta go pick up Vinny. So we're not gonna find Vinny, find out how he's doing. Make sure you subscribe to find out how Vinny's doing. But on a serious note, we're headed to Hunter. We also got Killington, Stowe, Gore, Whiteface. So many sick ski resorts on this East Coast. The week on the East, I told you it was gonna happen. It's happening. So be ready for all those sick resorts. I'm just stoked to travel around and do all this because of you guys. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, supporting my dream, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are enjoying them, smash the like button. It helps out the videos, the almighty YouTube algorithm, where share the video with more people if you smash that like button. So if you liked it, smash it, because probably more other people will like this video. I could keep talking and rambling, but we got to get to the other resort. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.